Have you ever felt the beauty of dawn breaking over the mountains? Or sensed the harmony between nature and human celebration? Today, we bring you a poetic journey through time, a verse that captures the essence of renewal, prosperity, and unity. Join us as we explore the wisdom and imagery of this ancient Chinese poem, unveiling its deeper meanings and timeless beauty. Let's begin with the poem recited in its original form, allowing its rhythm and spirit to resonate with you.
天上庆云迎晓日，春来瑞气满瑶池。一望山川新芳草，万家楼宇共吉时。
Now that we've experienced the beauty of the poem in its original form, let's take a deeper look at its meaning. Each line paints a vivid picture, capturing the harmony between nature and human life. But beyond its literal beauty, there's also a timeless message about renewal, prosperity, and shared joy. Join us as we unfold its essence, one scene at a time. As the first light of dawn breaks the horizon, golden rays shine upon the sky, greeted by swirling clouds of soft pink and gold. These are not just ordinary clouds, but auspicious clouds, a sign of harmony between heaven and earth. The morning sun rises with quiet grace, symbolizing hope, renewal, and the beginning of a prosperous day. Spring has arrived, bringing with it a gentle warmth and the energy of renewal. The legendary Jade Pool, said to be a sacred place of purity and vitality, reflects the bright sky and the blossoming flowers around it. The air is filled with the fragrance of fresh blooms, and a light mist drifts over the shimmering waters. Nature awakens, and auspicious energy flows freely, filling the world with abundance and harmony. With just one glance at the vast mountains and flowing rivers, we see nature's eternal cycle at work. The fresh green grass covering the earth is a sign that life is ever renewing, always moving forward. Mountains stand firm, rivers flow ceaselessly, just as time never stops, nor does the potential for growth and transformation in our own lives. As the morning sun rises and spring fills the air, an entire city, thousands of homes and families, basks in the joy of this auspicious moment. Laughter and warmth fill the streets as people embrace the promise of new beginnings. The beauty of life is not just in individual prosperity, but in collective harmony, where communities flourish together, just as nature thrives in balance.